Hey y'all. I know, just mess. But this is Minice hair today. This is a little hair review we're doing. And I'm just basically showing y'all some goodies they sent me, as every company do. But yeah, no, we're just going to go ahead and review this wig. Y'all let us headband, okay? But she's a good wig. I do give like my full review at the end of the video, inside of the video. So I won't be doing a voiceover this whole time. It's just this part. Um, but yeah, no, she's a good wig. I really liked her pulling her out the pack. I thought she was a little thin right here, but I thought maybe because of the part they tried to, do some extra plucking. But good construction with the plastic string on the back. So, when you put your hair in a ponytail, that back could be nice and tight. But are we getting started? No? Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, let's watch the thing. Y'all, this hair came to life when it touched water. Like, it just was absolutely beautiful. Took my breath away. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that hairline. Yes. She give it natural, honey. And this is how much hair came out after the wash. Not much, but yeah, she's gorgeous. Look at the hairline. Puerto Rican princess. And y'all, I just do a little plucking here. I didn't need to do much, but I just wanted to do a little bit so it wouldn't look as weird shape. But that's all the hair that came out after I plucked. And yeah, I think I started talking here. So let me just go ahead and let y'all watch. So, yeah. Baby, 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 baby. Baby, baby. Ooh. Okay. Okay. So real quick, I do want to say the biggest mistake I made with this 360 wig is after this, y'all, I cut the lace off before I glue it down. Do not cut your lace. You can cut your earpieces out. Do not cut the lace before you glue it down, child. Don't do that. Because then I had a hard time. Okay. I'm going to have to take this off and... Okay. You might have been playing with, makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just telling myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on scene, think you know your girl's so funny. All right. Child, I play too much even in the moment and heavy. Okay, so let's see what's going. Okay, not bad for like a press down with no glue. I mean, no melt spray. This is no melt spray. Real quick, as I'm editing this, I'm like, bro, okay, look, my lips is mad white, but I just brushed my teeth and did all my morning routine and everything. So I had not put any type of lip gloss or balm on the lips, okay? All right, now, that's enough shedding for me. Okay. I don't know how big of a fan I am of it, but I've got some shedding. Baby. I mean, it's shedding everything, but that melt is proper. That melt is proper. Like, yeah, that melt is proper though. Like, you can see where I put foundation, then I didn't. So that's on me. But yeah. Yeah, so let's go. We gotta go. Okay. Imagine if I did more. So this is me doing the rush job, but it melts. It lays. Yeah. 1 and 2 and 2 and 3. Let me see. Would this give? Would this? And this is melon spray. I feel like that yeah. Okay.